There's nothing stable for me to get on. There's a stool there. Grab the white stool that your garbage pails are on. Oh, wow. What? Might want to open the door or something. I'm going to. Although it might create a wind. I'm going to do a window. Huh? Window. Where's it coming out of? For goodness sake. Everywhere. This stuff is so fine. Now we've started doing this side, so we've got all the plastic up. This has been done, but it's still dusty, so we're gonna probably leave it up overnight. And now Elizabeth is in there. Better than the other side? Okay.
I can see better.
So the sanding is done. Oh my gosh. So we sealed completely at the top because on the other side it started to come through. And I put this here just as an extra because I have to spend the night here because I've got someone coming over in the morning. But we did all of that. And we taped it to the floor as well. So that really helped contain the dust. So huge lesson learned here. Next time we have to do anything like this, which I hope will not be anytime soon, we'll know what we have to do. So about 2.5 hours to do the walls. They look pretty nice. Over here we don't have lights, so the only way we're going to tell is when we see it. If we have to do a little spot thing, I'm okay with that because then we can do a wet sand. But yeah, oh my goodness. Thank you so much, Elizabeth. The kettle is boiling. I'm going to have a tea. So I took the plastic off. There's still those pieces of tape on the ceiling. I don't want to leave them, but I'm absolutely exhausted. I ended up cleaning everything. So washed everything down, vacuumed everything, wiped down the walls as well. So this way, what Elizabeth and I were planning was to come up next after Christmas on the 27th or the 28th and paint so that we put the primer on the bottom and then start putting the periwinkle up. Once I have these walls painted, it'll just be a game changer for me because then it's floor. Yeah, and then I have to refinish this. I have another unit in the shed that I may, it's a china cabinet, but it could go, we can use it as an armoire-ish kind of thing. So I may put it over there where the TV is. I'm going to refinish that desk, and where that shelf is, that's where the TV is going to go. So possibly in 2 weeks, we're going to be at least priming the wall. But if we can put at least the primer on, and then at the top would be great. Oh my gosh, just even thinking about it gives me goosebumps. So I found this R for Rocky. I want to get an S for Shores. Love it, absolutely gorgeous, but I can't find the S. So, and me being me, I bought it without the S. So I'm gonna have my tea, I'm gonna put my feet up, and I'm gonna hit the sack because the technician is going to be here, he said at 8, and I'm so exhausted. So I'd like to be up by 7 and then just get the pail ready with the water, so as soon as he leaves I'll just give it a wipe and pack before he gets here. So I'll just give it a wash and take off. So I'm gonna have my tea now. I've got a calming tea, which I love. This is herbal tea, so I don't drink my herbal teas with sugar. So I'm gonna put it right here. Got my Sudoku ready. I think I'm gonna do one of those. I haven't done it in a couple of days. I've been so busy. Quite mild here. It's damp. Oh, and I see a whole bunch of stuff down there. Oh my goodness, what is that? Like, those are big tracks. I don't know if I want to know what they are. Crap. I'm gonna head home now, way beyond what I want it to be. I won't be in until around 2, and I'm not sure whether I'm gonna go in at all considering what time it is. I may just end up working from home. So anyhow, we hope to be back after Christmas, between Christmas and New Year's, so I'm looking forward to that. I hope that we'll have a little bit of snow, but not too much, and that it's not too cold.